My dear friends, Aurobindo Pharma is hiring trainee candidates. So here you can see the job role is production, quality control, quality assurance and maintenance department. Male candidates between 18 to 26 years of age. The job location is Andhra and Telangana. So the qualification is diploma mechanical. 50 vacancies are there. Salary 15,000 per month. BSc pass or fail 125 vacancies 14,000 to 15,000 per month, and B pharmacy 100 vacancies 15,000 to 16,000 per month. So if you are interested, we will leave the link in the description, or you can scan this QR code and register yourself for the interview. So interview procedure include NAPS eligibility test, interview and HR round. You can contact the following person for more details regarding the vacancies. My dear friends, for job updates like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel pharmajobalert.in. See in the next video with more job updates. Here you can see this is interview is going under a skill APSSDC and NAPS. So please look at that. And coming to the registration process, you need to scan this QR code by taking a screenshot of it and scan via Google Lens. Then a form will appear. Then you need to register yourself in the form. Then you can attend for this walk-in interviews. So diploma mechanical, BSc candidates either pass or fail. B Pharmacy candidates are eligible for this interview. Thank you for watching.